how to fix the screen dimming issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display and brightness. Now here, if you have switched to dark mode, then switch back to light mode. And after switching back to light mode, the dimming issue will be fixed. And here you will also see a automatic button. So if you have enabled automatic brightness, then it will cause the screen dimming issue. So turn off this automatic button, and after that the screen dimming issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. And then from this menu, tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the screen dimming issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen dimming issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.